Well, thanks again, Darren. And down here in the pits, my history lesson continues. And now I'm in the box with Peter Xiberras with another bit of a mobile museum, I suppose you could call it, with a Graham Crosby, Wayne Wilkinson, Bob Jane T-Mart Commodore, or the VK Commodore, way back from 1985/86. Peter, welcome to Let's Talk Motorsport. And this bit of, as I said, a mobile museum. It must be pretty good to be driving it.
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, these old cars are cool. It just, yeah, you look at these and they're so close to a road car compared to the later model cars, and yeah, you sort of wonder how they did the laps in them back then, and it's credit to them.
Where did you find it?
There was a guy in Melbourne. His name's Ben Henson. I ended up buying it off Ben. So this car started off life. It was a New Zealand car. Everyone knows it as the gold bullion car. If you have a look inside, all the bar work is still the same colour as the original the car was in '85. Then in '86, as you see it today, it raced in the Bob Jane livery, and I'm sure it went through plenty of hands and different colour codes and all the rest of it. But as you see the car, this is pretty much how I bought it. We've done a few little mods to it and tidied it up a little bit, but as you see the car, 98% that's how I bought it. So yeah.
So tell us a little bit about what's hides underneath it.
It's a 308 period correct. So in this category, we've got to basically run what they ran back in the day. Engines are sealed now, so you can't do modifications. You got to run the same carburetor, brakes, wheels, tyres. We basically have to run what they ran back in the day.
And with the around here with the track like Winton, is it got power steering back then?
Back in the day, no. Now it does.
Oh, you do. You were allowed to put that on there.
Yeah. No, yeah. I probably.
I was going to say to be a big handful with the big fat tyres and everything, trying to get around this. Well, it is pretty bumpy in places and very tight in most of the places.
Yeah, no, it is a tight track, but no, the power steering makes it much more enjoyable.
And what about yourself? Have you done much racing throughout the years?
My background is drag racing, so I'm a drag racer from way back. Just with the involvement with supercars, and I've sort of had a love of V8 supercars, touring cars, whatever the name that they've had throughout the years. Look, I've been a long-term fan, and I just love it.
So the difference between the adrenaline rush on a gate at a drag strip compared to the start line and then the continuation, it goes for more than 5-7 seconds. It goes for a few minutes. Yeah. No,
look, it's same but different. It's sort of hard to explain in 2 minutes, but drag racing it's like 20 minutes compacted into a couple of seconds. Where this is you drive it to your talent and to your speed, and for me it's something that I enjoy, and I'm learning, and hopefully we'll just get better and better.
Well, all the best, mate, and hopefully have plenty of fun over the weekend with it.
That's the intent.
Thanks, and back to you, Darren. I'll see what other history lessons I can find out in the next half an hour or so as well. Have a great day up there.